Well, today I'm doing a short video on my brand new 2022 Tesla Model 3. Let's take a peek at this guy. So, I just picked up this guy on Friday. So today's Monday, just 3 days ago. I picked this brand new 2022 Model 3 up. I ordered it at the very beginning of February. It took a little over a month and a half to get it. And yeah, I am super excited. And so far, absolutely love it. It's kind of crazy with the whole gas prices skyrocketing and everything. It's just kind of perfect timing as well to go from my truck to this guy. So yeah, but I did want to go over, this is the 2022, the brand new model that has all these little upgrades and everything. I actually ordered it not really thinking about that specifically. And then after I had ordered it about a month later, that's when I realized, oh, there's upgrade to the 2022. Hopefully I'm actually getting the newer one, and yes I am, and yes I did. But I live in the state of Iowa, which means I had to actually go out of state to pick this up. I actually picked it up in Schaumburg, Illinois, Chicago area, and had a 190-mile trek back to my house here in Dubuque, and she did awesome, even though it was only 15 degrees out. They had it charged, I think, to 87% when I picked it up. Plenty of juice to get back to my house, and I have installed, and I did a video, I'll put the link down below to where I put my Tesla charger in my garage. And so far, it's been fantastic. But like I said, I wanted to go over real quick. This is just a quick video. This isn't a review video so much, but I did want to put this on my primary channel just because I'm really excited about this vehicle. I even made some shirts. So this is one of the shirts I designed. I'll put the link down to these if you want, if you're interested in this. This is my fuel shirt, and then I actually have a Model 3 shirt that I made too. So, and then I'm working on another one. So hopefully I'll have that out here shortly. But that said, this one actually has the upgraded Ryzen processor. So the touchscreen itself is really fast and works fantastic. I don't have a whole lot of experience at all, really, with the older processor, so I can't really speak to that. But this one also has the new lithium battery versus the lead acid. So I wanted to show you that because I just popped it open just a second ago and looked at that for the first time. Let's do that. Let's actually look where that lithium battery is. Okay, so in the front here, I already popped all the pieces out, so I actually removed this piece already. But there you go, there's the battery. It is a 12 volt, and I was wondering what it was going to be, but it is a 12 volt lithium. And there is actually, on this little stub here, a way to actually, I guess, add on accessories to the positive node there. So there is that. But the one thing that I'm looking at doing is adding on a hitch with a trailer wiring harness. And I'm actually talking with Stealth Hitches about making sure that their system actually does connect to the new lithium battery. But there it is. It is a smaller setup there. I'm assuming it's a lot lighter than what a lead acid would be, but yeah, you can kind of see it's not very big at all. But that's the lithium battery. That's the terminal there on the top. That was something I was interested in taking a peek at, but there's that. So I'm not going to go over this too much, but you can see right here where we have the infotainment processor is the AMD Ryzen, which has the new one. The modem is still, even though it is technically, I guess, an updated modem or whatever, it is just still 2G, 3G, 4G, not 5G compatible. I'd like to see that obviously upgraded, but at least at this point it's not. But yeah, that's what that is. The screen itself is wonderful. I mean, it's a fantastic display. And of course, all Model 3s, have this display. This just has the upgraded processor, so things are a lot cleaner and smoother, faster. And it's lovely to have it as fast as it is. I'm not going to go into that too much. That's going to be more in my review, but yeah, I'm loving this car. So all in all, without going too crazy into that, I just wanted to show some of the new stuff here in the 2022, and I'm just finding out more and more. The glass roof is a lot better than I actually anticipated it being. I really like it, even in the full daylight. Now, of course, I could see maybe if you're in a climate that you're getting a lot of direct sun, like in Las Vegas or something, maybe that's going to change things a little bit. But here in Iowa, especially, it's March. It's not crazy bright out yet, but but it has a lot of a good amount of dimming to it, so it's very well tinted. And this with the 2022 as well, everything in the back now is fully acoustic glass, and so the ride is really quiet. So I can't wait to show to talk about it more once I have a little more time with it. I like having at least a week with the vehicle before I can review it fully, and right now I don't have that with this vehicle, even though I have upwards of 300 miles on it already. I'm looking forward to having a review on it, and I'm going to do a standard review like I do on all my other vehicles, but I did want to talk about it at least. If you have any questions for me, by all means, and hopefully I can answer what I can. But of course, there's tons of videos on Teslas already, but I'm going to start throwing my 2 cents in, because why not? It's fun, and they are fun to drive. The one thing you don't get tired of is the acceleration factor is unlike anything I've ever felt before. So thanks for sticking to the end, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to have a whole bunch more videos on Tesla, especially on accessories. I'm actually testing a few things in here right now, and I have a whole bunch more that I'm going to be doing, both installs on my Geek Smart channel as well as reviews here on techgooch. So, and if you want to take a peek at this shirt or other shirts that I'm actually designing, I guess, kind of as a salute to things that I love, and the Tesla is something I'm super excited about, so I had to do it. And I want to start making more. So thanks for watching to the end. Catch you back here on techgooch for another video review. See you soon.